Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Microwave Turntable Motor. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new turntable motor. The turntable motor is located on the bottom of the microwave and it's what turns the cooking tray. The main reason to be changing it out is if the motor has gone bad and your cooking tray isn't rotating. In order to get to the part, all you'll have to do is get underneath the microwave. Since this is an over-the-counter type, all you have to do is reach underneath it. Ours isn't mounted to a cabinet, so we're going to turn it on its back so you guys can see it at home. We have to take off the bottom of the microwave. We're going to open up the microwave door and remove the glass tray and the support ring so we can work on it. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. Now that we have all the screws out, we can lower the panel. Be careful it doesn't fall out. And we have to disconnect this wire harness that goes to the light bulbs. To unplug the wire, all you have to do is squeeze each side to release the locks and disconnect it. Now that we have the wire harness disconnected, we can set this lower panel aside so we can change the part. Now that we have access to the turntable motor, we can take off the electrical plug. Remember, the orange was on the bottom, the black was on the top. Might be on there kind of tight, so we're going to use a screwdriver to pop off the terminals. Once you have them loose, you can set it aside. Then we can use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove the motor. All we have to do is remove these two screws. Once you have the two screws out, all you have to do is pull the motor out. Here's the old turntable motor next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new turntable motor in, we do have to line up the flat of the shaft with the flat of the coupler. So while we're putting the motor in, we're going to open up the door and I'll pull up the coupler so you can see it. We have to make sure that the flats line up so when we put it in, they go together. So from the inside, you would have to turn it so it lines up properly. And once you have it lined up, then we can push the motor back on and put the screws in. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have one screw in to hold it in place, you can also close the microwave door. Now we can put the other screw in. Now that we have the new turntable motor installed, we can plug the wiring back in. All you have to do is line it up and push it on. Now that you have the motor installed, we can put the bottom back on the microwave. To put the bottom panel back on, all you have to do is set it onto the frame of the microwave. So you can see the frame right here. And then we can grab the wire connector and plug back in the lights. It can only go one way, so you can't mix it up. Just plug it back in so it locks in place. Once you have that plugged back in, we can lift the bottom back up so we can put the screws in. Now that we have the part installed, we can open up the microwave and reinstall the support ring and the glass tray. Now that we put those parts back in, we can close the microwave door, plug it back in, and reset the clock. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.